Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add text to Instagram Reel. First, let's open the app. Then you'll select the plus icon right there that you normally use to upload a video. Then select Reels right beside Library at the end of your screen. Then you can choose to do a live video if you want, or you can upload one from your camera roll. Let me do a little video right here. And after you have recorded the video, you'll press the arrow pointing to the right, and then at the top end of your screen you'll see two A's. You simply select that, and from there you can type in the text that you'd like to add to your video, and then you can also change the color of the text, and you can also change the alignment of the text. You have a lot of options, and you can also change the size of the text by carrying the line up right there on the left hand corner. And then after you finish, you simply press done, and that's it.